Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add emoji in Google Sheets file. So let's start. At first open your Google Sheets file document. Then I show the Google Sheets file is add emoji. Now select from the any position is that emoji. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click for the emoji option. Then choose your likes from the emoji. Now click, that's it. Then again another place. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click for the emoji option. Then choose your likes from the emoji. That's it. Then I show the add emoji in Google Sheets file. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.